How to log into Trello account on Trello app. Let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded the Trello app in your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Trello and install it. Once completion of installation process, launch the app. You'll enter this kind of page. Now over here you'll see the option of login or sign up. Click on the option of login. Different options will appear. Click on the option of login with email. Click on continue. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now from here you can easily log into your Trello account using your credentials. You can either use these options or also you can directly enter your email and password to log in. For this video, I'm going to use my email address. After you type in, click on continue. Then type in your password. Once you type in, click on login. And just with that, you'll be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Trello account in Trello app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.